Just subscribe the button and click the bell icon and go to the and just click the link below for everything. I will show you how to reply a specific message on Instagram if you want to reply on specific message. Okay. So for this purpose you have to just go to your Instagram. Okay. Now I am go to my when you go to the Instagram account after opening your Instagram you have this is your profile. Okay, this is the profile. So for this purpose you have to go to the messages is here are present all the messages of you. Now you see this is a message, everything is happening, you can do everything you can do. Just click on this profile button. When you click, there is your profile come, but there is a message button, you have to click this message button. After you want to replace specific, just click any one chat. Okay, for example this is a message, I want to reply this, so just click on this three dot button. Just hold, you have to hold this. When you hold it, just for example I should just hold it. Okay, after holding you hold it, then click on the replay. When you click on the replay button, just messages anyone. Okay, you can send any message. Now you see, you reply to this specific message. This is all the messages are present, but you have to reply this specific message. Okay, now this is the simple where you can just do anything with you. For example, I want to reply this message, just click hold it, click on the reply. Yes, hello, hello, you have to say hello. So this is the just simple method, you can follow it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like and comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.